In today's design process, collaboration is not just sharing files, it's about sharing and understanding. Engineers, designers, and customers often work across locations and tools, making communication slow and fragmented. Email threads, screenshots, or exported models often lead to version confusion and misinterpretation. That's where share and markup in 3D experience comes in. It bridges the gap between teams by enabling instant browser-based design reviews and feedback, all within a secure cloud environment.
So, what exactly is Share and Markup? It's a simple yet powerful collaboration tool within the 3D Experience platform that allows you to instantly share 3D models, drawings, or assemblies with anyone, even if you don't have a CAD software or a license. This enables reviewers to review files directly in a web browser on any device, keep all feedback and discussions tied to 3D model, ensuring clarity and traceability. Beyond just collaboration, Share and Markup also drives business impact by reducing design review cycles. It helps accelerate time to market for new products. With fewer communication errors and rework, organizations see a direct cut in development costs, faster approvals, and more accurate decisions lead to higher productivity and improved profitability. Let's see how it works. Step 1, Share. Whether you're working inside your CAD environment or directly from 3D Experience platform, sharing your design is effortless. Simply select your 3D model, drawing or assembly and click share. In just seconds, you can generate a secure link and send it to anyone, your teammates, suppliers or even customers without worrying about software versions or file transfers. Step 2. Access. The person you shared it with can open the model instantly right in their web browser, no software installation, no license, no setup. Just one click and they are in. They can view, rotate, zoom, and explore the 3D design from any device, whether it's a laptop, tablet, or even a phone. Step 3. Markup. Now comes collaboration in its simplest form. Using intuitive tools, reviewers can add comments, draw markups, and highlight areas directly on the 3D geometry. Every annotation is captured and stored in one secure cloud-based space, ensuring that no feedback is lost and everyone stays aligned. And here is the best part. Designers can easily view all the feedback attached to the model with pinned comments highlighting exactly where changes are needed. They can immediately start working on the necessary updates, confident that every modification is clear, traceable, and in context.
With shared markup, collaboration becomes effortless and visual, empowering every stakeholder to contribute meaningfully without barriers. It's not just about sharing a model, it's about sharing and understanding.
Instant collaboration. Share designs in seconds and get immediate feedback from anyone, anywhere. No software barriers. Open and review 3D models directly in a browser, no installation or setup needed. Clear communication. Comments and markups appear right on the model, keeping feedback visual and easy to understand. Centralized feedback. All discussions and revisions stay in one secure cloud based space, always up to date. Faster design cycles. Act on feedback quickly and move from review to release without delays. Seamless integration built into the 3D Experience platform, keeping your entire workflow.
With shared markup, collaboration isn't just easier, it's smarter.